Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield today and I'm having to voice this over because I forgot to put the wind muff on my mic and it was just a lot of wind blowing down the microphone. It's not all the way through the video, but it's enough for me not to like the audio. So anyway, um, this is not going to be my last video of the Anfield Road builds. It's going to be one of them, just not my last one just yet. I'm going to see this through to the end. It has been a labour of love and I want to carry it on. So it could be my last one with the drone. That's what I will say. Because I can see this road being open soon. So I'll just go along with my camera and everything that needs doing and documenting, I'll go down and get it sorted. But the things that I am going to cover are the likes of the road. You know, it still needs tarmac and the forever stones that I'm on now. They still need finishing. I've received an email off Liverpool because I've got a stone going down there and they're not happy with them. There's some that need replacing, the saying, and leveling and stuff like that. So there's quite a bit to go on a forever stone still. Sorry about breathing in there. The road still needs tarmacking, but that can be done quite fast. And I think once that's done, I think that may get opened up because they are rushing along with the outside of the stand now. The only time that they might have to close it off is to get that end cladding done at the end. I'm going to be covering, I'll be back in the summer covering the seats going in the corner. The underside cladding, that's not quite finished yet. When I do my match vlogs, I'll be covering that. Yeah, so talking of match vlogs, I'll be there tonight at the West Ham game. The Carabao Cup quarter final, so hopefully we can get through because if we get through tonight, got a really good chance of winning this. Yeah, so where's the bit of cladding I'm on about? That I don't think I'll get done in the summer. I think I'll get done well before the summer. I just think they need to get the roads and the exterior of the grounds done, and then they'll concentrate on that cladding, I think. Now, the weather has been a nightmare today. I tried getting over the grounds, and then I was thinking, it's too windy, because I kept getting wind warnings, and the thing that's paramount with me, with the drone flying, is safety. I'll keep it over the park, where I can see the grounds, to get me. So it's all well and good having visual line of sight with the drone in the air. But if you can't see what that drone is over, I'm not going to, and I think it's risky, I'm not going to fly the drone over it. It's as simple as that. So I could see the whole park, so I knew that if the drone did malfunction and it drops, it's going to land on the grass, that's it. So that said, I was trying my best to get the best angles I could while I was chatting away about what I'm doing and what the future holds for me going forward. And basically, this is going to carry on being a predominantly football channel. So I will carry on doing Anfield-based stuff. I'm not sure where I'm going to go with the Bramley Moore stuff yet. I do want to do it. But I just don't think it's safe down there at the moment. So I want to try and work out a way of getting footage down there that suits me as well as the viewer, okay? I could go down there, just put the drone in the air above me and film and just zoom in on certain places, but I'm not getting all the way around the ground, so it's not going to do the viewer. Yeah, it suits me because I feel a lot safer doing it that way, but it doesn't suit me. Yeah, so so I was going to abort this, so there I am there. I was going to abort this and then I thought, no, I'll just drop it really low and face the ground while I'm talking away. So at this point, because I wanted to get over the grounds so I could look at the upper tier seats, so I could explain how the away fan allocation was going to work out. Because for 3 different competitions, but for 4 different competitions, you get different allocations of seats. So for Premier League and Europe, you pretty much get the same allocation where the that little half a section, the lower tier, the away fans get that. In the League Cup, they get the whole bottom tier. And in the FA Cup, they're going to get the whole lower tier plus a portion of the upper tier. So if you watch my video last time, not well, if you watch my video of the test event, you'll see where I get stopped by a steward. And I didn't quite understand why you're stopping people getting through, but now I do understand that that part is going to be a cut-off between away fans and home fans in the upper tier, which it makes sense. But having a steward standing there stopping people, I don't think that's the right way to do it. I think if that section is going to be cut off by away fans, then have some sort of shutter pulled down. That would make a lot more sense. So I'll put the footage on now of where I got stopped by the steward. So you can see him standing there and there's one on the other side. And so I thought, I'll go up AU5 and come down AU6. And that worked, so I thought, well, why is the steward stopping people? But you could get round it that way. Whereas, in reality, in a FA Cup match, there's going to be a divide between AU5 and AU6 by the looks of it. So that makes sense now. You can't go up AU5 and come down AU6 to avoid getting stopped going through. You just won't be able to access it at all for FA Cup matches. But Premier League matches, League Cup matches and European matches, that's going to be all home fans, so that you should be able to walk freely through there. I think that was just an exercise for the stewards to stop people getting through. This part I'm looking at the roof, where Craig's Adventures showed there was a crane lifting all the tat off the roof, so that's a lot tidier up there now, which is a relief. There's a lot of people going on about all the rubbish that was up there. I'm going for it now, so the wind had dropped a bit, so I thought I'll risk it. I'll get round and try and have a look. But the drone really was fighting against the wind here, and I've got a big powerful drone, so anything smaller just wouldn't have made it. So I was finally able to get round. So I did want to look at the AU vomitories, but I couldn't really drop the drone down because you got to keep visual line of sight, and I'd have probably lost signal as well. So we're going to have to settle for the AM ones. So there's AM5. So that's where the divide will be. And there's AM6. So the divide will come down at AM5. And then anything left of AM5 will be away fans for FA Cup matches, basically. And that's how the divide's going to work. So where you see me getting stopped by the steward, that's where that is, AM5. And then AM6 is where I went down and avoided the steward, which makes sense. And the League Cup match tonight, West Ham will get all that lower tier. Yeah, so there's just a final look of how it's going to work. So it's going to go from AM5 there across. And that allowed me to get back over the park now, which is a big relief. So, Christmas Day, I'm going to bring out a Christmas Day special. It's going to be a fun one. I'm going to have some special guests on there, so make sure you watch it. Yeah, hopefully it'll be entertaining for you. It took about 2 weeks to plan because I've had to get people involved, and they've all got involved. Fair play to them, and I thank them all for getting involved. I won't say who it is yet because it'll be a nice surprise on Christmas Day. So hopefully when you open your presents, you can watch my video and see me special guest as well. Yeah, so going forward, this isn't going to be my last Anfield Road Expansion update, but it's going to be one of them. Obviously, things aren't finished because I want to cover the benches on the left-hand side there and the forever stones. I want to cover them getting put in. the road getting finished off, the landscaping behind the walls and stuff like that. So there's all little bits that need covering still, and I've said when I started it, I'm gonna cover it to the end. I know there's not a lot to see, drone wise, so I'll probably do ground level work with me new camera. So yeah, I'm still gonna be doing. I'm still be, you know, the commentary with it, and then I can move on to other projects. So if you haven't seen, I've started doing myself doing Uber work. So anyone that wants to get into taxiing or get onto Uber, you know, they can do that. And I'm doing other like history stuff as well. So I'm gonna leave there, guys. This is where I'm gonna land the drone now. So I'll leave there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you watch on Christmas Day. Okay, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.